Alright. Let's see. Let's turn on the Twitch on my phone so we can see how loud it actually is. Everything. Hopefully the audio is working. Hopefully I just woke up. So, I'm honestly a little bit tired. But it's to see if the audio is too loud and if my mic's even working. Okay, it says can't seem to, doesn't say I'm online or live yet. Come on. The chat, I just want to see the... Programming. Pizza Man, there we go. Let's see.
I can't find my way back to you until you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home.
Alright, so the audio, I put it down a little bit, and I put my chat down a little bit. Hopefully that's a little better. Because that was ridiculous when I heard it on my phone. I was like, nope, nope, nope. Okay. And bada boom, bada bing. Let's see where we left. Okay, where we left is we basically got all the content done. I didn't talk last time, but this time I'm going to talk. And basically we got all the content done, but we were having issues with the until loops and the if-then statements. And why weren't they working? So what we're going to do is we're going to see, for some reason the random number is not working. And I'm gonna put a debugging line later. I'm gonna work on that later. And what I'm gonna work on is this little HP thing going on right here. And right here, we are going to I don't remember how to do this using shoes, right? I'm using Ruby Shoes framework, so I can have a GUI. So this is very much a procedural kind of program in a sense of, yeah, it's procedural. Which is, you know, it's not necessarily a bad thing. It's as opposed to going very object oriented, because I didn't feel like doing it, honestly. So what we're gonna do is note equals, okay, that's okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do is layer equals, and then para, which is the line. So para.text No, should I do it like that? No, no. Keep in mind I've only been doing Ruby for like a week or two. So I honestly don't have everything memorized like I should. You shouldn't really memorize everything. There's not much of a point to do it. It's just, if you want to become an expert about it, that's always a good thing. So, it's a Ruby beginner Tilto game. Yeah. Yeah. Basically what I have so far is this is how it runs. I'll make it prettier as I finish up. You don't follow the rules, you'll die. So you start a gang on the ship, you start a mutiny. I don't remember how this. I gotta look at the code. It's been a whole week since I've messed with this, so ask someone for what was the option after that actually worked. Yeah, just punch him in the face. Yeah, grab your sword, and then you swing your sword. You take defensive stance. Blah 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 blah. And of course, for some reason, it's not incrementing down when right here when I click. So option 9 dot click, the until loop is not working. I move my variable or my constant declaration up to the top since this video, and I have player HP equal to 5, captain HP equal to 6, and then that should call back. I mean, that's just me though. I'm not entirely sure why it's not. And then if player equals 0, because I do an until with an or statement on it. Although I don't know if I need this do. I don't remember if I needed the do. You probably do. Do until. Sounds right. It also sounds very unright. I don't know. Ruby sometimes can be a little weird because it's overly simple sometimes. I can always make it if dead is true, then that's the same thing as what I'm doing. It's just making it overcomplicated. Captain Buckle's head, blah blah blah. I gotta comment this, man. This is very much looking Spartan. Yeah, the random number generator over here is not working. I don't know why. I don't know if I need it before I click, but I want it to happen when I click the button. Random number generates, and then if statements occur. So if within that range, if within that range, and then else, and then same thing for this. Because these are both, these are win states and lose states. I don't know if the music's too loud and it's annoying. Oh well. Oh well. I can get over myself. So, pair a strong center. That is for the shoes. Where's my shoes? There it is. So, open up. So, choose. That's pair a strong center. Below, that is the center note up here. That's my note variable. So let's do a debug line where what should I name it? P equals and oops, did not mean to do that. How does it work?
I'm not driving my daughters to rhythmic gymnastics practice. I'm trekking through Esplanar on a quest for the crystal sheath. The dark forest envelops me and I smell.
I forgot to turn on my ad meter for Spotify. Oops. I am going to fix that very quick. That is very much annoying. Blocker. Run.
More than 180,000 audio titles, and your first download is free at Audible.
That is very much annoying. Sorry about that. So, there we go. Bada boom, bada bing. Cool. What was I doing? What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was looking through my Dropbox. Here, let's see. I am now on Learn Ruby the hard way. Oh, okay, that's how you do it. Oops, totally derped. Let's talk about, okay. Let's talk about the amount of derp I just had. Wow. Pretty intense. So, and then control. Let's just close this out. Let's see if it even displays. Okay, so it displays. So debug line for that stuff going on. So now what we're going to do is go all the way down here. And let's see if it actually decrements by the... I could be forgetting something. I could be forgetting something really dumb. Considering Ruby is completely interpretive. So start a mutiny, punch him in the face, grab your sword, swing your sword, and it's not minusing down. So nothing is happening to player HP and captain HP, which it should right here. So right here, there should be something for it, but it's not. Whenever I click this, it's not working. Maybe it doesn't like a button being nested inside an until loop. I don't know. There's not a lot of like reference guides for Ruby shoes out there, so it's weird. Until loop. So let's see. I can do a while they're greater than 1 or greater than 0, and then it'll stop it when it hits 0. I can do that, but it should work with the until. Yeah, the until is perfectly fine. I can plus minus it. No, I mean, oh. What is the Ruby decrement? Is it the minus minus? Or am I'm probably thinking of the wrong language there. No, minus minus is C. So I wonder if this would work. Wait, would I have to convert it to decimal? Is it 2_D for Ruby for decimal? For float? Or for big decimal? Or is float and decimal the same thing on Ruby? I don't remember. I wouldn't know, but let's see. I can declare these as big decimals. I wonder if there's just a decimal though. Class. There's float, there's big math, there's integer. But does integer encompass decimal? No. So why don't we just pre-declare? Okay. Or you know what? What we can do is not declare the life yet. Or actually, you know what? Let's make another. No, let's not do that. What we're gonna do is a life variable. No, I'm still not done. I actually haven't worked on it all week. Well, the thing is I'm seeing if this is not working, because this is not decrementing right here. And I'm wondering if it's because I'm not declaring as, or I'm not converting it to decimal, which is the underscore D. But it's big decimal, which is weird. The difference between big decimal and normal. There is no real normal decimal then, assuming. So It's okay. It's underscore 2 underscore digits. Or is it 2 underscore D? Okay, 2 underscore digit goes to string. It converts it to a string. Whereas 2 underscore D converts it to big decimal. Okay, so just give larger numbers and decimal ends. Okay. I can do that. So, let's say 12.5 player HP and 14.75. Well, then again, since this is all interpretive, this is all going to be right off the bat. So let's just run it again. I hate that I have to close it every time I have to run it. So my debug line is going on. Okay, start a gang. Start a mutiny. Oh great, I gotta fix that. That's something new. Punch him in the face. Grab your sword. Swing your sword. And nothing's happening. Well, I am minusing by, because I wanted it so that there could be a potential, like, there's an actual way to win, you know? And it doesn't, I didn't want to just decrement it by 1. But I might just have to do that. Yeah. Oh wait. There we go. Okay, well, let's see if that works. Life total 100 each, swing sword, rand. Well, I'm having issues with the rand generator. That's the thing. So I'm just trying to see if I can even get it to, because up here, well, I'll show you in a little bit. Start a mutiny, punch him in the face, grab sword, swing sword, and it's still not. Even if I just do straight ints, it's still not decrementing. Because this is changing the value up here, right? And this should come up with the so, oh wait, that's probably why. Because this is not encompassing the whole entire thing. Let's see. That might be why. So, here we go. Let's see if that worked. I have to fix them all my increments later, because this is gonna get annoying to look at. Okay. Well, I fixed them up now. Whatever. So random equals random works for me. Well, I have I'll show you in a. Well, after I test it very quick, see if if the HP is gonna start decrementing. Start a mutiny, punch him in the face, grab your sword, swing your sword. Nope. Let's see if there's even a win state. No? This is way more than 14 clicks. So no, there's not a win state. Yeah, it doesn't even, like, it's not even decrementing. Or minusing. Let's see. I wonder if you can do a minus equals on Ruby. Thing is, you can't do a minus minus on Ruby, and I found that out. That was kind of annoying. So I wonder if you can do a minus equal. So minus equal, and let's see if that works. Yeah, I see your. Oh man, it acts funny if you use the star incorrectly. Well, I'm just using the pound sign for my comments. I know, right? A start from here function would be awesome. I might have to do like a method or something for this and just return the values. But let's see if the minus equals works, which I doubt, but hey, why not? So start a gang, start a mutiny, punch him in the face, grab your sword. Swing, no. Nope, 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 not working. Okay, I see you're using dashes that I switched to. I was seeing exactly what he used, and it fucked up everything. Yeah, I also used exactly what he used for a little bit, and I thought it looked ugly. But I didn't realize that it would have made it not work. So... So, there's that, but... Maybe if I put this at the last part. I wonder if this will show up still. If I put it at the very end, before this end. Maybe because all of this is being interpreted. Maybe it's just my wishful thinking. Oh my god, that's not even. Okay, there we go. Now this is me just chugging the snake oil. So, oh, nope. So start a gang on the ship, start a mutiny, punch him in the face, grab sword. Nope, still doesn't work. So, interpretive, you can go to L for misleading me. Where is that? Okay, there it is. So... Why last? It only tries to read one. I know, but I was just seeing if me clicking first before it loads would do anything, and no, it doesn't. Maybe it's because I have it in a separate flow, but these are all different, like... Well, no, it read before the game was over. I was just seeing if it would, yeah, read all these other things. I don't know. As I said, I was just chugging snake oil. So, damn it. Bring this music down. I mean, I don't really like the music, but it's the only thing that doesn't have a copyright. Here, let's see. Like my random, like I'm using the correct random, so num.random or none.rand, or I can do num equals random or rand. That might work actually. Let's see. I don't know. I don't know if that will generate a win state, but hey, whatever. Start a gang, start a mutiny. Attempt to intimidate the captain. You were truly scared for your life, and blah blah blah. And now, oh yeah, that was a win state, right? Attempt to intimidate the. Oh, cool. I guess I couldn't do num dot. I had to do num equals. Wait, let's see if it works for a different one. Because maybe I'm gonna have to do a debug thing for a debug line for this thing too. Great. Actually, I can get rid of this and put this up to the top with my rest of my variables. So, cool. There we go. And we can have this generate. So, let's call it random equals para, then num. Let's see what gets spit out. Here, let me just. Let's see if it actually worked. And use random. Yeah, I might go to classes if I have to. It's just that using this framework, it's kind of weird. I'm not gonna lie. Start a gang on the ship, start a mutiny. My random number is 3. He's truly scared for. Oh my god! And so no, now this should. Okay, so if my random number is 3, this state that Captain's truly scared for his life should not greater than or equal to 4. It should be the else state. Why is this not working then? Well, now I got the rand to work. Okay. Yeah, so, yeah, I got the rand to work. So the thing is that this if statements are not working. So my random number 3, so it should be the else. Oh, it's right here. my if statements. So you see my random number is 3 that was randomly picked from my debug line. So it should be the else point. Is that... No, it's greater than or equal to. Oh yeah, that looks terrible on the video. That looks truly terrible in the video. But it is that. So why is the thing not working? If the interpretive... I'm gonna look up like, this is right, but I'm gonna look up the statements. So if, else if, that, I don't like that. So, okay. No, this is not the damage. This is something else. These are win states to see if you actually convince the captain on your argument. So it's kind of like... It's kind of like rolling like a d20 to see if you bluffed right or something. So actually let's make this, maybe making a negative will make it easier to read. I don't know if it made it negative on your side, but it made it negative on mine. What is num changing? Num is changing nothing. Num is being compared to predefined ranges of numbers. Yes, it is just showing / hiding options. So it's like, so if the random number, if like you click to make the argument to attempt to like intimidate the captain, for example, the random number generator goes on, and it's a random number between 1 and 5. If it's 4 or higher, the captain's really scared, and you win. If the number is lower than 2 or lower, then he kills you and you lose. And if it's a 3, then he doesn't pay attention to you and you lose. So that negative screen does not work. Let's see if I can change the view of my actual just software. Make it easier for everyone else to see. Okay, word wrap, thank God for it. No, nope. Yeah, I have no clue. But, and it's also hiding a bunch of options. But basically the main thing is that I want to change the note according to what, of course this time it didn't work. This thing bigger, a wider program. Let's say 5. Oh my God, my dog being loud as shit. Okay, so let's just run it again. Let's see what happens. So he started getting on the ship. That is really annoying. I wonder if I could... There's a way to fix that. There's like a new line thing. Choose. There we go. Yeah. There we go. Okay. Now that that's fixed, you can have it change the text, like string equals blah, or else fuck. That's what I have it doing. Have the button display the string. That's actually not a bad idea. Rather than having 3 hidden buttons, just to display options. I was originally gonna do that, but I wanted to do the cookie crumb trail kind of thing with the buttons. So that's why I have it disabling the ones that you didn't use, or no, disabling the ones you used, so you can still see them. But, god damn it. I have no clue what that... Captain pulled his sword out and killed you. Really? So it's getting all the if statements all mixed up. So it's not doing a greater than or equal to 4. Let's just try greater than 3. Less than 3. Let's see that. Let's see if that works. Let's change this back up here. If that will stop getting everything all squished. Well, yeah. Okay. God damn it. So, start a mutiny, intimidate the captain. I can't fucking see what that says. That's annoying. But I know it's a game over. Okay, captain pulls a sword, game over. Okay, and what number ran number 2? Really? Oh wait, no, that's right. See that? But yeah, that's correct. So let's see if we can get a 3. A random number 3. I gotta find a way to fix that squishing issue. Maybe if I just put a new line in every button. Maybe my shit's not low. Just fuck it. Maybe that's why. Try dropping the then. I'm thinking it works. Let's just see if it. At 3. Oh yeah. Wait. I gotta make it equal to 3. Random numbers 5. Nope. Okay. You know what? Fuck it. So let's just comment this out very quick. Let's make it equal to 3. So num equals 3. Bam. Bada boom. Bada bing. Let's see. So open app. So random numbers 3. Start gang on the ship. Start mutiny. Intimidate captain. I can't fucking tell what that is. Why is the new line not working? I don't understand this. Here, let's see. So when you attempt to intimidate, disable, option 4 or 5. Let's just do state disabled for 4. That could be why. Dropping the game over, man. Game over. Aliens. I might do that part. Like just a goofy part. So start a gang. Start a mutiny. Intimidate captain. Why is it doing that? Why is it just squishing up everything? Oh, that's why. Let's see if we can do a plus and... Oh, wait. Save. That's why. It's because every time I replace a note, I'm not putting a new line thing in there. So start a gang on the ship. Intimidate, and he is truly scared for his life. You win. What the fuck? No. That is not the win state. No. It has to be greater than 3. Not greater than or equal to 3. Come on. Computer, you can do math, can't you? Oh. Okay. Might as well be aliens, shit. So start a gang on the ship. Why does starting a gang on the ship cause it to fuck up? So note replace, gang member walks up, blah blah blah. mutiny. That should go up here, right? Oh, that's why. You know what? Fuck it. There we go. I should just make note into a variable. So call this one banner. Have this equal to that, and then have this bam. I think that should solve my issues with the whole fucked up formatting. So, start a gang, start a mutiny, intimidate captain. Really? This is not... I have no clue. So you can't do a dot replace. Okay, wait. That should work though. Start a gang on the ship. Start a mutiny. Captain. Nope. Yeah, we're not having a good time. We're absolutely not having a good time. Let's screw it. Let's just keep the dot replace. This as note. Get rid of this variable or that constant. Oh my god, I can't type. There we go. We're just gonna copy paste /n everywhere. Okay. And now we're gonna go open up. Open app again. Start a gang. Start a mutiny. Intimidate captain. Captain pulls out his sword and kills you. Game over. It's not correct. The random number is num is equal to 3. Come on. It's not. Num is not. Else if num is less than 3. Come on. Because the reason why dot replace doesn't work is because dot replace in the shoes framework is only for paragraphs, I believe. That's what I read a while ago. And so it's not going to work for just string. because paragraphs and para is different from puts or print line or print. Okay, because in this you actually have formatting stuff for the output. I mean, I could use prints, but whatever. I don't know why. So, oh wait. Let's make it include everything else. Let's watch it not work still. The computer just can't do math. Start a mutiny, attempted to intimidate the captain. Captain doesn't pay attention to you. Okay, cool. Yeah, but that's just dealing with direct string. I gotta then put that string into a paragraph. And it won't, I don't know, it didn't want to work. I don't understand. So, oh well. I am over that. As long as I get the formatting correct. So, now we're just gonna have to change this. Because you know what? I think it's just good enough now. Any state. This one's option 5. So, oh, that's why it was randomizing the number again. Whoops. I'm dumb. Yeah. Well, yeah, it's because I just noticed that. Oh man, like before I looked down at the chat. Whoops. God damn it. Okay, so start a gang, start a mutiny, attempt to intimidate. He doesn't pay attention to you. Cool. Crew laughs at you. Game over. Cool. So now we're gonna put this back to a random number. And so we basically have that win state done. So now we gotta get this one to work. So okay. I know I hate the delay too. And it's kind of ironic because I'm saying I hate the delay as well when there's delay in fucking saying that. Oh, the irony. I hate you, Twitch gods. Whoa, that was loud. And Dead Steam. Hello, hello, and thanks for following. That is actually the first time I actually have turned on the, you know, follower alert and actually had it on during a stream. And so that sound actually terrified me for a second. Minus equal does not work. That was the thing that we were dealing with earlier. So -1, -2. So player HP is all the way up there. So when you click on it, there's player HP -1, captain HP -2. And if player HP equals 0, if else kept. Okay, and then blah blah blah. None of those would work at the moment, and then until and this is option 10, basically the same thing. Okay, yeah, that's oh wow, I forgot. I totally did not think about that. That's actually a good idea. Whoa. There we go. So let's see if that works. I totally did not think of that. Yeah, I wanted to make it as easy, like it was a close battle kind of thing. That's why I made it so player HP -1. So start getting on the ship, blah blah blah. Punch him in the face, grab your sword, and swing your sword. And nothing's happening. And nothing's happening. And still nothing's happening. Player HP is still 12, yes. So I have them as constants. Oh, you're right. Let's make it 13. Or let's make him 13. Okay. Okay. Let's see. And commenting's gonna be a biatch when I have to. Random number generate the blah 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 blah. Okay, so why the hell isn't this working? So player HP equals player -1, which should work. Or maybe 2_i. Shut the fuck up, song. I doubt that will work, but whatever. Let's try it. HP okay. I know, but I'm trying to I want something to happen, and it should just automatically know it's an int. So it's just that kind of thing. Wait, why is the making those int just broke the program? They're all like, nope, don't do that. It's kind of funny, I'm not gonna lie. Make sure HP is going down. Like, print it each click to make sure it's using math correctly. And not that it's being displayed incorrectly. Yes, that actually makes sense. Okay, well, I can do that. Okay. So there we go. We have a debug line. Let's see if it's doing math. So start again on the ship, start a mutiny, punch him in the face, grab your sword, swing your sword. Oh, so this is not even popping up. I think it just doesn't like having an until loop inside the button .click. That might be it. Actually what we can do, let's move this button inside the until loop. Do it for the defensive stance, fuck it. For only. So, starting a ship, mutiny, punch him in the face, grab your sword, and it's not, okay, so the until loop is what's messing it up. Well, let's move the until loop to the outside. Yeah, it's not registering the click. It shouldn't be an infinite loop, though, because it's until HP or the other HP is equal to 0. So until one of them is equal to 0. So let's just put the until loop inside the click then. Maybe I'm just not procedural programming right. That's funny. So, start a gang, mutiny, punch him in the face, grab your sword, and take defensive stance. It just doesn't like loops inside of a click, I think. Well, I mean, how about this? Actually, I don't even need this loop then. Let's just get rid of the loop. I think it's because I wanted to use a loop. I don't remember now. I don't care anymore. Grab your sword, take defensive stance. Player HP. Oh, man. What? Player HP is 0? What? No, this should not happen. If player HP equals 0. What? Why is player HP should be 12? What's going on here? No, it's OR. They don't use in Ruby the But, oh well. Let's see if I have to declare it inside the click state. Maybe that's something. Start a mutiny, punch him in the face, grab your sword. Nope. I don't understand this. Player HP is 12, and then player HP becomes 0. What? When does it become 0? Oh, it might be from up here. Okay, let's see. Oops, I didn't want to open that. Okay. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, I didn't know that. So, random number is 1. So start a mutiny, punch him in the face, grab your sword. Take defensive stance. Okay, boom. No! Why is it doing that? No! It worked for 1. No, no, no. This is not right. This is... No. I don't want that to happen. And the if statements are not... Well, the if statements are working, but for some reason player HP is going down to 0 for no apparent reason. So let's just see if the swing your sword option does something different. Face, grab your sword, swing your sword. And I died, game over. What? No, this... No. Why does it jump down to 0? No, I took out the loop completely. So, there is no loop. At all. It's completely procedural. I don't see an until anywhere. There is no until. Okay. So, here, let's... Yeah, what's up, man? Oh! Oh, shit! Oh! No way. No way. Save. That, oh man. Oh man, that was just too epic. Yeah. Whoops. That kind of makes me upset. I didn't see that. So punch him in the face, grab your sword, swing your sword. Wait, what? What? No. This is weird. So I have to loop it still. Until, because I need to get it. I need to force it to get a 0. Okay. So until or Captain do I don't know why, honestly. It's just so I can force a win. Okay. So I accidentally minimized my thing, so it like flickered on and off for a second. Okay, so mostly that. Yeah, of course. Okay, you swing your sword and do until. So let's just. We're just gonna click swing your sword from now. See if this will work. I don't think it will. So punch him in the face, grab your sword. And I'll make this all prettier eventually. So swing your sword. And infinite loop. Ha! Broke the program. Ha! That's hilarious. Ha! So, let's see. Cut. Whoops. So now it's looping until one of them is 0. Oh wait, I shouldn't, oh wow, that's not a good idea. So I should have kept this at freaking 14, because it's gonna go straight to odd. Where's my code? Where is it? Yeah, I know. I wanted to break it. But not every time we're gonna click, we want it to loop forever, so when you click, so we want to loop the click. Okay, so let's see if this works now. Because earlier I forgot to do the equal equal. And that was pretty bad. Punch him in the face. Grab your sword and... No, it's just gonna do it. How about a while loop? So it's a post test or Yeah. So it's looping forever because you're not changing the HP loop, so it's just gonna check 0 forever. Yeah, that's true. So while player is greater than equal to 0, greater than, do this. Okay, that should work. I just gotta slow myself down before I do things. Yeah, basically. Let's just start back to the drawing board. Zombie captain killed you because so if you actually swing your sword until you hit 0. I should actually do that. I should actually. Why do you need a loop? It shouldn't be 1 button press equals 1 attack. Also, that was an old comment. Yeah, it's just that delay. Yeah, I know. The thing is I'm just trying to do a catch state. Like, for some reason this else statement is... I gotta figure out a way to break the thing. Oh wait, boom. This is what I should have done. I should have remembered this. So, state equals disable. Should have just done that. So the moment you have a win state, I should have thought of that earlier. And this should be almost done by now. No, what? I want it to disable. Oh, disabled. Okay, there we go. So, start a mutiny, punch him in the face. Oh, I accidentally still have this disabled. Okay, I should also disable 10. Okay, and I think that should be that should be about complete. God, game over. Okay, so let's see. Now it's all about organizing the GUI into something that's all a little bit appealing to the eye. So where's the grab your sword option? Because that is looking ugly. So, or yeah, that's correct. Okay. Yeah, basically, I want to make sure. I might finish this stream up in a little bit, shortly, now that I got this completely running. Punch him in the face. Okay, you know what? The GUI's not working right. For some reason, new line. You won, cool. You're captain. And bam. This is the end. This is finished. Roll credits. I can submit this. All I have to do is write comments, and we're not going to make a video of me writing comments. That'll be the worst thing ever. Button 6 needs... option 6. That might need it. But I'll go through this and finish it up completely. But it was a good... Actually, I think this ended up pretty good. I just had to... Whoops. Well, actually, let's just open it up back again. And I want comments. Do you really want me to want to watch me write comments? That's going to be the worst thing ever. Alright, well, catch everybody later to the new follower, and also Miffinlight? Miffinlight. Miffinelight. I don't. Anyways, you guys are awesome. Derek, aka Pure Rangers, you're awesome. Thanks for actually talking to everybody on this stream. So, and later everyone.